Diamond, need a vagina.
Yes, I know Diamond attitude. This, and you know me I represent for the Dan, the dopes, the man who run Dancehall, VYBZ KARTEL. Alright, VYBZ KARTEL pop style is out now. I will go have a dancehall competition. Yes, if you never know, it was for my page. Yeah, Diamond attitude. So here I come down right so now. Competition start today. So I'm going to submit a new video. Yeah, to me. Right? Giveaways. Video will be judged on originality and creativity. The most likes and views are going to win. First place, 50,000 Jamaican dollar. Second place, 30. Third place, $20,000. Be creative.
Well, going up on this one, so the video is going to be on Mackerel, and up top that is a clip of which Mackerel used to enter VYBZ KARTEL pop star competition. Mackerel, however, won and got first place, and people are saying she didn't deserve it because them say better than that, and this is
money. Come Mackerel. 5,
right this down.
10,
Right this down.
15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. On the behalf of VYBZ KARTEL, Mackerel official pop style competition, first place, Mackerel pop style and why now?
Girl winner, sir. Big up, drop the pass, sir. Why? Never mind people man right through.
Alright,
Cute. Big up VYBZ KARTEL right through. See it there? The king of dancehall.